I first came here as an astrophysicist, that's what I applied to IT for. I was kind of looking for top schools for physics, and part of the reason why I picked this school is because it's in a city. I never came to Chicago before. I got a STEM scholarship. It helps a lot, honestly. Students, they go to a college, they're like, oh, I'm the best in my class. And then they come to a tech school and they're like, I'm average. I'm now average. And it teaches you that, hey, there's a lot more to know and there's a lot more that you can do.
Anytime radioactivity is happening, you're making neutrinos. Imagine there's a nuclear reactor right out in the hall on the other side of that door making neutrinos. Our detector is right here. So it's about 6 meters away from an operating nuclear reactor. You want to have as many neutrinos going through your detector as possible, which means you get as close as you can to the most radioactive places you can reach.
With the data, we were just analyzing what we collected from the neutrino detector. And in that process, we also deconstructed the neutrino detector so we can analyze, okay, how can we make this better and more efficient? It's a whole cell, so there's a bunch of panels.
So these panels are supposed to be perfect specular reflectors. This mirror surface gets made into these kind of tubes. These guys form the walls of the tube, and then these tubes get submerged in a large thing of clear liquid. When a neutrino interacts with the liquid, it makes a flash of light, and we put little photon sensors at each end of this guy. And so we want them to be very mirror-like, so whatever flash of light's made, you want that light to propagate down your cell and hit the photon sensors at the end.
When you're a kid, you start dreaming about what you want to do in the future. Engineer, scientist, inventor, innovator. For Illinois Tech, I joined Hyperloop because I was trying to figure out if I wanted to be an engineer. Hyperloop for me was the first step into that. There's sub-teams, electronics, software. I was on the brake team, trying to figure out how can we get the parts that actually exist or machine the parts that we need. How we ran the project was really up to us. So you get to see a project get developed from start to finish. It's great on a personal level and also on a childhood dream level.